To make this craft, we need brown color sheet, skin color sheet, 3 popsicles, scissor, fevistick or fevicol, black sketch pen and double tape. First we will draw 3 circles on brown color sheet with the help of any object. Then draw a line in this way with the help of a scale and cut it like this. Cut all the circles and make 2 strips like this. After this we will draw same size circle on a skin color sheet like this. Now draw oval inside this circle. Draw head shape in this way. Now we will erase this circle line. We need 3 pieces of this shape. Now draw a D shape ear. We need 6 pieces of ear and draw hand. Make a U shape and draw hand. We need 6 pieces of hand. First we will cut the image, then we will draw for more pieces. Now all the cuttings are done. It's time to do final work. So here stick this image on the circle. Add ear. Now with the help of black sketch pen we will complete the eyes nose. Monkey face is complete now. Now we will stick it in this way. Complete all the faces like this. Now take this strip and cut it into 2 pieces. Add hand on both the ends. In this way we will stick hands with the help of double tape. So this is first principle of Mahatma Gandhiji. Don't see bad. Second principle of Mahatma Gandhiji is don't listen bad. And the third principle of Mahatma Gandhiji is don't say bad. So here you can write the principle on popsicle like this. Say no evil, see no evil, and hear no evil. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share your valuable comments. Thanks for watching.